Today we're on our Family Beach Care Thing Act Day, and we've come to Shek O to collect some litter and do a community cleanup. So the children have gone exploring in the local town, on the public beach, and they've even gone over to the dog beach as well to try and collect as much trash as possible.
我同埋我哋屋企人都好中意 Bloom 嘅 Care Thing Act Day 啦，我覺得佢可以俾到一個好好嘅 guidance 或者一個 environment 俾小朋友去到諗下佢身邊嘅人啦、事啦，咁係可以 enhance 到佢嘅 positive thinking 同埋佢嘅 empathy， 去到即係去關懷身邊嘅事物同埋人。
For example, if we go out in a beach where we are right now, we get to learn a lot of different things because it's not just about picking up litter.
The most important thing about Care Thing Act Day is that we really try to make sure that the children understand that what they've learned in the classroom can be applied outside in the real world.
Compared to maybe some traditional school, it will be something very different and it will be something very practical for them. I'm sure that will be an asset for them for the future of their life.